Today we look at the practical implementation of load management. Your run-walk intervals. This controls tissue stress while rebuilding the tissue. Secondly, your monitoring of your systems. Mild discomfort while rehab is acceptable, but a flare-up in pain, swelling, limping, or pain that persists more than 24 hours, that suggests excessive load, progressive overload. Gradually increasing the demand will allow adaptation. That'll give you more running time, a little bit faster pace, and more mileage. Avoiding overload or load spikes. If you suddenly increase the demand in mileage or frequency or racing, that'll just increase the risk of getting re-injured. So successful running rehab depends on keeping the training demand within the athlete's current capacity. As the capacity improves, more load can be tolerated, and the performance will improve and the injury risk will decrease. Thus, the clinical goal of load management is not to avoid pain at all or to rest indefinitely. The aim is to apply the right amount of load at the right time for the right tissue.